Did you prepare the letter I asked you to?
Yes, ma.
Send Ejike to my office now.
Okay, ma.
And close the door, please.
Good morning, ma. I was told you wanted to see me.
Ask the secretary to give you the letter that she prepared.
Ma, please, don't fire me. I have family to cater for. Please, ma.
Ejike, are you working to cater for your family or for the progress of the company?
Both, ma.
Ejike, you're as incompetent as you look. Look at how you're dressed. And it's laudable. Just leave my office.
Ma, please, this is wickedness.
How dare you? Listen, let me give you an advice. If I were you, I would enroll in a disciplinary school. Because I can't stop thinking about that so-called family you're catering for, how much they have to suffer in poverty because of your stupid, lazy self. Now get out! Leave my office so you can throw you out! Get out!
Where are you going?
I just got a call from the shop. Customer wants to see me.
I thought you were cooking.
Yes, you're going to help me look after it, okay? And you really need to run.
So what's the point of all those girls in your shop?
This is more than them, okay? I love you. I'll see you later. Please don't forget the food.
So far, with this interface, these are the layouts set out to develop the app. And it really took weeks to get all this. They're not easy, please. I don't know if this will be convincing enough.
So, what do you think? I'm sorry, but this doesn't pass for what we want. The UI is purely developed. It looks so amateur. But we did put a lot of effort into making this.
If this is your best, then it is questionable.
I'm sorry. We can...
Look, Miss Frida, we're not walking out of the room now because of the relationship we have with your father. Do you think he would still be proud of you to see you do this after a third trial?
I'm sorry. We'll work on it. We'll get you a better app. I promise.
It's the same promise you made to us the other time. That's what made other companies have issues about our app.
I know. Please, all we need is more time. More time, please. And moreover, we just got a good tech person. It's very vast and creative and stuff like this. Please, just give us more time.
We won't even have the time to look at it the next time we come. 3 weeks, Miss Frida.
Oh, thank you so much. Thank you so much. That will be enough. Thank you so much. I promise we'll get the app in place and everything will be fine. Okay?
Miss Frida, you can do better in keeping your father's relationship. Let's go.
But ma, we don't have any tech guy.
Are you that dumb to know you're supposed to get one?
Sorry, ma.
And you, why is he standing there like a dead meat?
I'm sorry.
Get out!
Sorry.
Bunch of incompetent fouls.
Hi, girl.
Hi.
Which one is hi? What's the matter? Why are you this cold?
I have a terrible day.
Terrible day. Anyways, I got this for you. Bobby called you. He said he's been worried about you, that he's been calling your phone. You're not picking. Why?
What then? Everything is fine.
Are you sure?
Everything's perfect. Yeah.
So you guys are just pushing me. Bobby's calling me. You're saying you're fine. You're this. You're that. Are you sure? Are you sure there's nothing you want to tell me? You want to share with me?
Okay, I'll pick his call. You happy now?
What do you mean? Am I happy now? I mean, he's concerned. And then that's why.
Concerned. Good to know.
What do you mean good to know? Is there something you both are hiding? This one you're saying good to know. Bobby is saying you're not picking his calls. You're saying good to know.
Everything is fine.
Are
Everything
you
is
sure?
perfect.
Are you sure?
Babes, there's nothing to share. Okay, when he calls you again, just tell him I'm going to pick his call. I will answer his call this time.
Okay, Madam CEO. I bet. Voila. So what's up?
Just stressed.
My CEO friend. Ooh.
Guy, sorry for keeping you waiting, man.
How far now?
Kitchen duties. I did, bro. How far waiting I go for you now?
Hey, you're the one doing the cooking again today.
Yes. Waiting up.
As in, now you they cook again.
What?
Wait, I don't understand. Why are you the one that is always cooking now?
My wife has been so busy lately now. I have to help her in the kitchen.
Okay, I understand. See, I understand say as guys, supposed to help our women once in a while. But you won't done too much. If you are not starting, you are finishing. Bro.
This guy.
Hey.
Very good. Not be my fault now, not be my woman's fault. She's been busy at work, especially this week. I have to help her.
Okay, I understand. You guys should exchange position, eh? You become the woman, You should become the man, The husband. This guy. Don't forget that thing. That stuff where I send in call.
Guy, you always send stuff for my WhatsApp. Which one be this one again now?
The job vacancy now.
Oh.
You don't see another job.
I'm not interested, man.
I don't understand. You're not interested as in you've gotten a new job.
Bro, you know I like to work from home. I'm not a fan of all these office jobs. I like the comfort of my home, working from home.
Okay. Let's ask you a question. Since you started working from home, how many jobs have you gotten? Huh?
It's a gradual process.
I'm sure it is. See, guy, getting a job is one of those processes. You get. It means to an end. Guy, come on.
Guy, this job where they push me go so like this. It be like say you get other plans for this job.
If you don't catch me.
It be like say you get plans.
You don't catch me. You don't catch me.
This job.
See. You know say you're my guy, Ali. I'm just trying to help you gain back your husbandhood. Become the man. Don't give your identity to your woman. Don't turn yourself to Esau.
Guy, I'll think about it, okay? I'll think about it.
Problem, man. Take your time. You know I have your back now.
Guy, I don't ask you. Waiting you want or you don't want anything, Abi?
Even pounded. Yeah, I'm arranging something for your guy now.
So as I ask you, I do bad thing now.
You're not supposed to use your mind. You're supposed to arrange
now,
something for me.
Now, talk now. Say I do bad things. Say I ask you, waiting you
want.
enter
that kitchen, Jerry. You're doing well, honey.
You be mad.
Sweetheart.
So, have you been able to talk to her?
Yes, but she refused to tell me what's wrong. I mean, one of you need to talk.
There's nothing to talk about. I'm just sure she's just experiencing this woman mood swing shit, you know.
What are you talking about? No woman gets angry over nothing. I mean, since you guys have decided not to say anything, you guys can deal with it yourself.
No, you don't get it, Anita. You need to help me out here.
I am trying to. It's obvious you don't want me to. I'm trying.
I'm telling you the truth.
Okay then, talk to her then.
You think she'll listen?
If you're sure you didn't do anything wrong to her, I don't see any reason why she shouldn't listen to you. So yeah.
Well, I'll talk to her.
All right then, let me get going.
Nice seeing you too. We should see again sometime, you know?
Bye.
Babe. 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 Get up. I need us to talk. It's very important.
Babe, I'm so tired. Go ahead, I can hear
Can you
you.
at least just sit up, please?
I had to bend a lot today, okay? My body is aching.
Okay, fine. Just like that.
Mm.
It's okay.
What's up?
So there's a job that I am applying for. It's an office job, and I don't know, I've been thinking about it, if it's something, I don't know what you think.
Oh, that's great news.
Yes, I know, but, it's an office job, and I've always wanted to work remote. Remote is the type of job I love doing.
Babe, that's so perfect, okay? At least we both can get busy.
I know, it's just that, with office work, they can control you, take advantage of you, and I don't know if it's something I really want to do. And I'm a bit confused, and I'm not sure. Babe. Babe?
Babe, you need to calm down.
I hate incompetence. It irritates me and you know it.
I know. But still yet, whatever it is that he did that made you sack him, you know he's a very loyal person. And loyalty cannot be bought, you know.
If as a person you're incompetent in your duties, then your loyalty is questionable, my dear.
Babe, calm down. So how do you expect him to feed his family?
That's not my business.
Really? Just calm down.
I'll be calm if you give my credit for taking another incompetent person away from the society. My company is not a playground for experiments, for trial log duties. So please spare me the sermon.
Well, I see. Anyways, I'm just concerned. That's why I'm asking.
Thank you.
Wow.
Give me
Hey!
the gist.
This is on. So I've now become your blog. I beg you. Rest.
Hit me with it now. My ear is yearning for it.
So you like gist like this?
Are you holding gist? My ears are yearning for it.
Anyways. No, serious.
I was like, really?
Anyways.
It'll be fine. We're okay.
I know,
Just
right?
sort it out.
So, I mean, how is the search for a tech guy going?
Oh, girl, I'm tired.
I know.
It's hard to get smart people these days.
Oh, you're right.
I don't know if I should blame it on our educational sector or individuality. It's crazy.
You're definitely going to find someone. But
But what?
I hope you treat them well.
What do you mean by that? You see me as a monster or something?
No, that's not what I mean.
If you shoulder the responsibility on me to move my father's company forward, then you understand why I need smart and competent people.
Fine. What is it? Employ me now.
Get away.
What do you
I
mean?
don't like you.
I don't blame you. You don't even know what I'm capable of doing.
You know what you're capable of doing.
What is it? Tell me.
You know what you're capable of
Oh
doing.
yeah, tell me now. Tell me.
I just want to hear it.
Tell me, Jo.
Can you just wrap up already? Good morning, Dad.
Yes, good morning, sweetheart.
Hope you slept well.
Yeah, I slept like a baby. They're looking well. What's the matter? What's going on?
Dad,
Mm.
was there any time you were never proud of me?
No? Why do you ask?
I still have not been able to secure the cruise bed app contract.
You know, when I started this company, the very first contract I had was the Olive Chatting app, which established the company anyway.
Yeah, she said so, Dad.
But I never told you that it took me 5 times to make the app before it became successful.
Seriously?
Oh, yes.
We had the best tech guy at the company back then.
Well, first, second, third trials don't guarantee success. What's important is your next move. So, how many times have you tried now?
3 times. Going to 4th.
So what plans are you making for the 4th trial to count?
I sacked the last tech guy. And I have some new applicants coming in today. I'm planning on having them to work as a team on creating the app.
Great. You know what? Make sure you rely on your instinct and make reference to your dad, okay?
Thank you, Dad.
All right, dear.
I have to run now.
Yeah.
Have a nice day, Dad.
Have a nice day in the office, okay?
Bye.
All right.
Good day, ma. Here are the 2 you asked to wait behind.
Listen up, both of you. This is what I require from both of you. As much as we are needing your services, we cannot condone any excesses. So, you will be fired when any gross misconduct is noticed. That being said, Annabelle, get them their letters and they should resume immediately. We have an app to build.
Madam, excuse me, please. Since we're going to be working as part of a team, after observation, I think we need someone to head the team and make the final decisions. And then we can submit the unanimous decision to the company after it's been final.
Yes, I was coming to that, but since you decided to be faster than yourself, so you head the team, Mr.
Femi.
Whatever. Annabelle, get them their letters and let them resume work immediately.
I'm sorry, excuse me, madam. It's just that some of us have some things we need to do, like prepare to actually start work properly and get our desks in order. Starting today might not be possible. You know what?
Well, speak for yourself now.
Fine. You resume tomorrow. You can leave.
Thank you, madam. Thank you.
You all can leave. Annabelle.
Yes, ma'am.
Cancel my appointment for the day.
Okay, ma'am.
And when you're done, bring me Mr. Femisiri.
Okay, ma'am.
Babe.
I don't think courtesy demands you barging into someone's office like that.
Babe, did you just say someone?
What do you want, Bobby?
I don't get it. What's with all this attitude?
I'm busy, as you can see.
Babe, you can't be too busy for me. Babe. Babe, I miss you.
I can hear you.
Babe.
What?
Babe, are you still angry? I'm sorry, you'll not be picking your calls.
Why should I? I guess I don't have any right to be angry at you anymore.
Look, babe. I'm sorry. And I mean it, I've changed for real.
You said that the last time. I'm sorry, I'm sorry.
Babe, I've really changed. She just forced herself on me.
And the rod between your legs could not resist her, huh? Just pretending less from you.
Look, babe. I mean it this time. If I ever cheat on you again, you can hand things.
Why do you think we're still a thing?
Come on, Frida. You know I love you. You're my woman. You're my heart. You're my everything. I'm so sorry, babe. Please. Please.
I'll think about it.
Does it mean you and I still hang out this evening?
I can't.
Your father? Oh, you're still living in his house? Why haven't you gotten your place?
You're in my father's house and you spill such nonsense. Get out.
Babe, that's not what I mean.
Get out!
Sorry, babe.
Get out now! Leave! Don't
Babe.
you dare talk. Get out!
Babe, I'm sorry.
Bobby,
Please.
get out of my house!
Can we resolve this, babe? Babe. Babe.
Babe. Babe.
Babe. Welcome.
So you left your food on the fire and you went to sleep.
Oh shit. My food.
Put it off. After the house almost burnt down.
I'm sorry, babe. Thank you. I was just a bit tired. I decided to take a nap.
Oh, well, next time the living room is the best place to sleep when you have food in the fire, my darling.
Okay, boss. How was your interview?
Ah, it was good. I was picked. I got in.
So fast?
Yeah. In fact, she wanted me to start today, immediately. I had to decline. They really need my services.
Your boss is a woman?
So, you have a problem with that?
No! Congrats, babe! I'm happy for you. So, did you check that all the food get burnt?
Why don't you go and check yourself?
Babe, why didn't you just check? You know, just check for me now.
Oh. That's how the guy finally gave me the opportunity to complete the first software project.
I know you are capable now.
Come on.
That's my guy. I'm proud of you, man.
Ah, thanks, man.
Always killing it. Man. My guy. Man, but I like this your new gig, oh. I really love it.
How?
Look at the time you're already home and you're chilling already.
Sure. for work will never start. You know, they try to cast yourself
Get
now.
that one now. See, it won't take that much time.
I hope so. I hope so. Because that woman, she looks like she's parasitic.
Which woman is that?
The CEO of the company.
Oh, that must be Mr. Desmond's daughter.
Oh, the owner of the company.
Yeah, Mr. Desmond. That's his only daughter, the apple of his eye. You know, he sent her abroad so that she can take over the company. Lots of money.
What about her mother?
Yeah, apparently she died at birth.
How come you know so much about this family?
My pops used to work at the company a lot, you know, before he passed away.
Oh, I see. Wow.
Yeah.
Wow.
We'll just forget all that, Jerry. Where's your wife?
Yeah, she's still at work.
I guess you are the one doing kitchen duty again today, Abby. Huh? This guy. I pounded him last week, make brain sharp.
What's this level of incompetence you're showing me? We have only 3 weeks to develop this app. And this is all you can do in a week? Wow.
We're trying our best.
Your best isn't good enough.
Sorry.
Mr. Team Leader, do you have anything to say to me?
Madam, we actually made a request for some items and they were never attended to. There was nothing we could have done while those items weren't available.
What items?
Your secretary said she sent you a message about the items. She also said she informed you about how urgent they were, but you never replied.
Oh, okay. Fine, I think I saw the email. It escaped me. Fine. I'm going to send a message across to the accountant to give whatever you need to get them.
Okay, Mom.
You can leave.
Oh boy. How far?
Bobby, what do you want?
Hey. Baby. Got something for you, babe. Babe. How you doing? I've got an exciting
I'm busy.
Ah, you're always busy.
Yes.
I have something for you.
Who is that guy in the office? The guy behaves so uncultured.
You want to know who he is? Why don't you go in there and ask him? You're not gonna mind your business.
Baby.
Yeah.
You still haven't helped me compose the sales speech.
Baby, I worked all night. I'm so tired and I'm already late for work. Can I deal with this when I get back?
When you get back? Oh no, babe, I have to submit this to this client.
Babe, I'm already late for work. You know how traffic is by this time.
I know, but it's just something precise. Please, babe, please.
Let me take a look.
Okay.
Excuse me. Good morning, madam. I was told you asked for me.
Why were you late today?
I was held up at home. Something came up.
Mr. Femi, this company did not build its progress on the ground of laxity and indiscipline. First off, you're yet to record any progress with the app, and now you decide what time to come to work.
Madam, I apologize. I'm sorry. It's the first time this is happening and it's the last time it will ever happen. I'm sorry. Also, people's work will become better when you don't give off some kind of air of oppression, some oppressive vibe. Everyone deserves some kind of commendation, no matter how small. And here's the progress of the work, the app. As you can see, the UI is way more alluring. It's a far better place to be than when we first met it. All that is left is some finishing touches. We're working, ma'am. You just have to give us some benefit of a doubt. Also, people's work will become better when you don't give off some kind of air of oppression, some oppressive vibe. Everyone deserves some kind of commendation, no matter how small.
What gave him the guts to talk to me like that? Who does he think he is?
Good morning, ma.
Is the chocolate already?
Yes, ma.
Get me Femi.
Okay, ma.
I'll shut the door, please.
Good morning, madam.
So, as much as this company show love and respect, disrespecting those who are higher in rank than you is too grievous to be neglected without a penalty. So with that, you know what? Never mind. You can go back to your office.
Is everything okay?
Of course. You let me know if something comes up. You can go.
Actually, we need time, madam. Lots of it.
It's just a week to submission.
And that exactly is my concern. We are going to need every single second of that week.
Why don't you and your team stay in the office lodge for like 5 days?
No, that won't be possible.
Why not? Sorry, because you're staying.
I have a family.
You have a wife and kids?
Just a wife, for now.
You just go decide if you're going to sacrifice your job or your wife. You can go.
What?
Go.
Wait, what? You mean you had the intention to sack someone and you could not do it?
Yes.
This calls for celebration.
I don't understand.
You don't have to understand. I'm just shocked.
That's your business.
Well, you're right on that one. I'm just happy for you.
Seriously?
Mm-hmm. By the way, what's the update between you and Bobby? Seriously? Is that what it is now?
Sweetheart.
Dad, you have to calm down.
I decided to stretch my legs.
No, you've asked me to come help you.
I'm good. You don't look so good. What's the matter now?
Dad,
Mm-hmm.
do you think I'm too hard on the staff?
Well, it depends on what you mean by being too hard. There are some people use different circumstances for different situations. Okay? But I knew too well that you could manage the company. And that was why I allowed you to manage it. So I trust you. I'm proud of you. I can be fine. Yeah, that's it.
Thank you, Dad.
All right, yeah.
I feel better.
Great. So go freshen up. Come down for a meal.
Okay, Daddy. Thank you.
All right. That's the boss. That's nice. That's nice.
So I'm inside now.
I'm still thinking about it.
A wife should know that her husband has responsibilities. Even the Bible says a man who can't cater for his family is worse than a pillar.
So you know the Bible?
A Christian.
You come back into the office like that.
Tell me that.
I'm sorry, I tried stopping him.
Tell who, Annabelle? You could have at least called.
They realize you have a new PA now. Who's it?
Femi, you can go to your office. I'll meet you up later.
There's something off about this guy. I don't trust him.
Do you even trust yourself? Please.
Fine. Are you ready for our outing?
I'll join you outside. Mm-hmm. What are you trying to do?
Hey.
That's the door. I'll join you outside.
Hey.
What does your wife think about the situation?
She doesn't like it. But since when did you care about what my wife thinks?
What, me? I'm not saying I care. I'm just trying to understand the situation you are in.
A really dicey one, brother.
Okay. The way I see it, if you go, your wife will get angry for a while. But if you don't go, you lose the job. Still your choice, man. Still your choice.
Babe,
Babe, we had this conversation already now.
you're going to leave me for this house for a whole week.
Baby, come on, we talked about this now. We talked about this. It's just 5 days.
So 5 days is just. You not seeing your wife for 5 days is just. Why do I feel like you're going to see another woman?
Deborah, why would you say something like that? You don't trust me anymore.
Babe, people change, okay? You don't love me anymore. Because if you love me, why would you be leaving me for a week?
Come on. I mean, look at all these big bags I'm carrying around. Does it look like I'm going to see another woman? Come on. Maybe we talked about this. Please, don't be like this. Please.
How? How am I... Is it wrong for me to want my husband?
Of course it's not wrong, but your husband needs to work. Okay?
Don't go, please.
It's not even up to... Baby.
Don't go. Please.
I know 5 days is like a week to you, but I promise I'll be back. I promise. Okay?
Don't go, please. Don't leave me alone.
Good morning.
Where's Mr. Femi?
She's not here yet.
I can see that. Why?
I don't know.
Hannah, place a call.
I'm sorry I'm late. Good morning, madam.
So the next 5 days to see to the completion of this project. This is our last chance to nail this. Don't let the company down. Anna, but take them to the lodge.
Hi, babes. How's work going? You're still working by this time of the night? Oh, you must be very tired. I can't wait for you to come back so I can take care of my baby. You naughty boy, I miss you too. Okay, babe, take care of yourself, okay? Love you, bye.
So when am I getting it?
I'll send it.
I think this language is much better.
I'll come meet you up later.
Okay.
Babe, that guy is so fine.
Don't go there.
What do you mean? Are you not interested in him?
He's married.
And so? See, let me tell you. It is when you actually get closer to this man, you know how long they've been waiting for you to come and take them away from their horrible wives. So, all this, forget about it. No wonder.
No wonder what?
No wonder you didn't have Ma like your other staff.
That was just a slip of tongue. He never does that.
What do you mean? Anyways, that's you guys' cup of tea. So when are you sending the money?
I'll send later.
Thank you. That's my baby girl.
I don't finish my money.
Are you still working?
Yeah. What about you? You should be home by now. It's late.
Yeah, I can't actually find my way. So where'd you get some sleep?
I have a few things I need to finish, and I'm in this flow state. If I break it off, I'm going to lose a lot.
Oh, okay. Good night. Can you tell me about yourself?
Sorry?
Tell me about yourself.
Well, there's really not much to talk about. I'm a married man, I'm a tech guy, and I work for you. Would it be out of place if I ask you about yourself?
No. Well, my name is Frida. I'm the CEO of Fortune Technologies, obviously. I'm the only daughter of my father. And to correct you, the guy you suggested is not my boyfriend. I mean, we had something, but we separated.
Well, you know, it's funny how some guys just decide to play with such a rich and beautiful woman like yourself.
It's not just about riches, you know. The heart matters as well.
Oh, I agree completely. Some men are just not deserving of love in any way. They're just horrible.
Why some?
What?
Why some guys?
Well, because some of us still look beyond just the looks and the riches. We actually look for the heart first in someone.
I wish I meet such a guy one day.
You will. I mean, you're so beautiful outwardly and you have a beautiful heart. So definitely you will.
You flatter me.
Oh no, it's the truth. It's the truth.
What do you think of me? What do you think of me, Femi?
I think you are such a beautiful and elegant woman.
I want you, Femi.
You're joking with me.
Yeah. I think I should be leaving. Good night.
Good night.
We got it! We got it!
What did you get?
Our app is finally set.
What?
Yes.
Wow. This is demo, yeah?
Live and direct.
And I can get this on my Android phone?
Only for Android for now.
Wow! I'm so excited. I can't wait to call my dad. He's so proud of me. I finally did it. Of course, not without you and the team.
Yeah.
Let's go for a celebration. We should celebrate. You don't mind going out with me, right? Just to celebrate?
I wish I could, but I can't. I need to go back home. I need to see my wife. There's a lot we need to do.
Oh, yeah. Sure.
You okay?
Yeah, I'm fine. You should, just go home. You should go home, yeah.
Okay. And congratulations.
Yeah. Okay, finally.
I missed you. Look at my baby. You know what? I made your favorite dish. You're going to go upstairs, freshen up, come downstairs, and eat. Look at you. I missed you. Okay.
That sounds so pleasing. I've missed you so much, baby.
I miss you too. How was work? Let me help you.
Work was good. It was really good.
Really?
Yes.
Are you sure? So did you miss me?
A little bit.
Oh, really?
Dad, we did it!
Oh, I knew we'd make it. I knew we would make it.
The graphics interface of our app.
Wow, amazing.
Who wouldn't love this?
I'm so proud of you,
Thank
Maria.
you, Daddy. Thank you.
Good.
My God, I'm so excited.
Yes, it is.
I'm impressionable. I'll talk to you later, Dad.
Great, I'm here.
Yes.
That's good.
Hello?
Hi, Femi.
Who is this?
It's your boss, Freda.
Oh, good evening, Ma. Is everything okay? It's quite late.
Yeah. I hope I'm not disturbing your sleep.
No, I wasn't asleep.
Same here.
Babe, who are you talking to?
Oh,
Who's that?
it's my wife.
Oh, okay.
It's my boss.
I guess I'll let you sleep then.
Okay, Ma. Good night.
Femi.
Yes, Ma.
Never mind.
Is everything okay, Ma?
Sweet dreams.
Okay, good night, Ma.
Hey. Good morning.
Good morning.
So I was thinking, since you don't want to go out with me alone to celebrate, why don't you just go out with the team and celebrate? What do you think? What's this? Why? Did I offend you?
No. But I think this is the best decision for us.
No, come on. You don't make decisions without my input. No. That's not what I meant. I mean... this company needs you. I need you.
I'm sorry.
Femi, you've shown me a better side of me I never knew existed. I love you. I don't think I'll be okay without you here. Please. Please.
I'm sorry.
Femi.
Where's he going to?
I don't know. It's a horror film. I've seen this film before. Eventually, some of the drawings start to come alive.
Are you serious?
Yeah. But I think this is the best decision for us.
Who's calling you?
Why are you not answering?
It's no one important. Besides, this is quiet time with my wifey.
I know, but it might be important. Maybe a client. I'm sorry.
Yes, hello.
Hi. I've been trying to reach you.
Yes.
How are you? Is your wife there?
Look, I am very busy right now. Okay? And I would like to get off the phone, if you don't mind.
Okay, okay. But I still feel...
Babe, you didn't seem interested in that call.
I told you it wasn't important.
Okay. You still haven't told me why you had to quit your job.
Babe, it's nothing serious. I just prefer working from home.
But I thought working from home wasn't giving you enough jobs.
Babe, do you want me away from the house? Is that what you want?
No. Of course not. I'm just concerned.
So can we please drop this topic?
Okay.
You know what, let me go pee. I'll be right back.
You keep me waiting.
I promise. I never will.
Babe, you got a text?
Ignore. It's probably no one important.
Oh.
Finally ready for action, baby. Woof! That was a long one. Are you ready? What's wrong? You're scared? Oh, don't be scared. Master won't bite you. What?
Who is Freda?
Freda? I don't know which Freda.
You really don't know any Freda?
Oh yeah, my ex-boss is actually Freda. What about her?
Why are you sex chatting with her?
What are you talking about?
Check your phone.
Baby, it's not what you think. I can explain. I promise you. It's not what you think. Please.
Seconds ago, you said you didn't know any Freda, and now you can explain.
Baby.
It's not what I think. Oh, so the 5 days you were away, this is what was going on, right?
No, babe, it's not that. Listen to me. It's not that, I promise. Just let me,
I'm
just
so
talk.
disappointed.
Okay,
in
babe,
you,
can
Femi.
you just talk? Babe, it's not what you think, I promise you. Listen.
To think I trusted you, Femi! Jesus! I'm so stupid.
Just hear me, baby. I can explain to you. This is not what you think. Baby, please.
Don't you dare touch me!
Babe, please, can you just listen to me? Babe, please, just listen to me. It's not what you think.
I just feel sad. It just feels so different.
Of course I still love my husband. I mean, I was not comfortable with him having a lady as his boss. But I just had to agree with it. Do you know what? Can I come over to your place later? Okay, thank you.
Guy, I don't know what you're saying. No, how? I already called the shop. They said she's not there anymore. What are you trying to tell me now? I've called her all day. She's not picking up. Okay, so what? I should tell her parents that she suspected I was cheating on her and then she left angrily. I don't know where she is. She's not picking up her call. She just walked away. Okay, fine. No problem. I'll talk to you later. Please, if you hear anything, let me know. Babe, where have you been? Where have you been? I've been calling you all day.
Why not call your mistress? I bet she's more richer, more beautiful, and a better woman that could ever be, right?
That's not
true. Wait! She gives you more sex than I do. Tell me, Femi, I'm just some useless and lazy woman, right?
Baby, you're the best thing that's ever happened to me and I love you and that's the truth.
Don't you dare lie to me. Don't lie to me! You know what?
Babe.
Leave me alone and go and meet your mistress.
Babe.
Leave me alone!
Babe, please.
And that's serious. Where is she right now?
She's in her room. She hasn't even been to work in a couple of days.
Damn. Man, this is on you, man. It's on you. I've told her about these advances.
Bro, I didn't want any of this. That's why I resigned in the first place.
Now it's catching up with you. Let's find a better way to apologize.
I don't know, man. What do you suggest?
Do I suggest? She's your wife. You should know her weak spots. You know her best. What she likes. Something. Have you heard from her? Freya?
Dad, I blocked her number, man. I have no business with her woman.
Good. Good. Smart choice. It's really smart choice.
From our previous meeting, there's a whole lot of improvements on the UI, the apps, and the development. That is the Cruise Bet app.
This is good stuff. More than we even expected. Thank you. Your father will be so proud of you.
Without further ado, so how soon can we get the iOS version after this?
Did you hear what he just said?
Yeah, I heard you. The iOS version should be ready in just in 1 month, in a month.
Okay, that is workable.
We'll be in contact. Hey!
Hey.
Hey, baby girl, how you doing?
Okay.
No, I don't quite get it. What's really wrong with your friend?
I don't know. I've been unable to reach her too. But look, I would advise you to just give up on her. It's obvious she doesn't want you.
She doesn't want me, but you want me, yeah?
I don't know what you're talking about.
You know what I'm talking about. Yeah, I see your moves.
If you don't have anything to say, I want to leave.
Come on, you don't need to leave. You know I have everything you want. Money and everything.
Whose money? Frida's money or what?
Are you out of your mind? Oh, wait. So you think I don't know you became my friend because of her wealth? You gold digger.
See this pot calling kettle black. Anyways, I don't blame you. It's because I just wanted to be there for you. Not your fault.
Come on, babe girl. I'm sorry.
I think if it's not because of me, Frida would have dumped you since.
I said I'm sorry.
Fine.
So you're excited about me now? You know what they say? Two similar birds of the same feather fly together.
It's birds of the same feather.
Come on, you know what I mean?
I don't know what you're talking about. Stop, Joe. People might be watching.
You know what? Guess I have to see you later today. I have one more move to make.
What moves are you talking about? Okay. Take care. Bye-bye.
Good evening, Pops.
Who are you?
My name is Bobby, and I'm here to see Freda.
What is it to you?
Freda's my girlfriend.
Oh, really? Why don't you call her over the phone?
I did, but she's not picking up.
Why should she pick your call?
Excuse me, sir.
So you left your house and came with your two left legs to my house to call me Pops?
Of course,
Don't
Pops.
they have elders in your place?
Of course, Pops. That's how we do in the US.
Ah.
Yes.
Which part of US did you live in?
California.
Don't let me get angry. Get out of my house.
Pops, I really need to see Freda.
I said, leave here.
It's quite important, sir.
Get out.
Shit.
Look at him. With the head like Agamaliza. Came to my house to say, Pops. Stupid. He would have waited. Oh, Chief, look. No, my daughter is doing a lot of the work now. I'm just relaxing. Doing more of advice. Oh, she's even back. Let me call you back.
Good evening, Dad.
Yes, good evening, sweetheart. How's work today?
Well, we see the deal.
Wow, congratulations. But you don't seem excited. What's the matter?
Just the guy that led the team that built the app. He resigned.
That's a shame. After all that achievement.
He's married.
You like him?
I didn't choose to, Dad. And it's hurting me that I can't have him.
Okay. Tell me about him. Hold on. I hope he's not that riffraff that came looking for you. That called me Pops.
Who?
One slim guy, he said he lived in California. I hope it's not him. So, Femi, how are you?
I'm very good, sir.
And your wife?
She's very well.
I heard you resigned. Do you have a problem?
It's not that, sir. It's just that I have a lot to deal with and to do.
Really?
Yes, sir.
Hey. Look at this.
Sir. So what is this for?
I think the question should be, who is the check of 100 million for? It's for you.
Sir, thank you so much. Sir, thank you so much. God bless you. God bless you so much, sir. Thank you so much. Wow, I'm so grateful, sir.
Femi.
Yes, sir.
I want you to marry my daughter.
Sir?
You see, Femi, my daughter is the most important thing to me on earth. Everything I own belongs to her. I want to make her happy. And no man has ever made her happy. But when she came back after seeing you, she was so happy. That means you are such a special person. All right?
Sir, your daughter is beautiful, amazing. She's every man's dream. But I am married.
But you don't look happy to me as a married man.
Sir, I am happily married. I will not accept this. Thank you very much.
Femi, there's a lot where this is coming from. So this is just the tip of the iceberg.
Sir, with all due respect, my wife is worth everything that you own. I'm a married man, sir. I will not accept this.
I told you to stay away. I expected better from you, Freda. I told you to stay away from me.
What are you doing here?
I warned you to stay away from me. I warned you. Even after I warned you I was married, why didn't you just stay away from me? Why?
I love you, Femi.
Freda, this will never work. It is never going to work. And this nonsense, this trick that your father pulled was very insulting. I'm never going to have it too. Stay away from me, Freda. Just stay away from my family. Leave me alone.
Femi. Femi. Dad!
Yes, sweetheart.
What did you do?
What are you talking about, sweetheart?
What did you do to Femi?
Let's just say I did what a caring father should do.
What did you do?
Oh, I offered him generational wealth.
And you think that's what I need to get him? I want his heart willingly, not his pity.
Oh, sweetheart. Money can buy everything and everybody, including his heart.
I'm actually disappointed, Dad. Disappointed at you.
Hold on.
Femi's ex-boss, Frida.
Oh, hi, welcome.
Thank you.
Have a seat.
Thank you.
Can I get you something?
Oh, nothing, I'm fine. Is Femi in?
Oh yeah, I'll get him for you. Femi! Babe!
Yes.
You have a visitor.
Sorry, what did you say?
What's his name?
Hi. You didn't tell me you were coming.
Femi. Show some respect to your ex-boss now. I'll give you guys space.
It cannot work. Don't you understand? What are you doing here?
I came to apologize for what my father did. And I'm sorry.
It's fine. I forgive you. Please, can you just leave? Just go. Please, I'm begging you, just go. Yes, babe, I'm coming. I'm coming. Please. When I come downstairs, I don't want to see you here anymore. Just go. Just go, please. Just go. It's fine. I'm coming. Baby, listen, I can explain to you. It's not what you think.
You invite your concubine into my matrimonial home, Femi. You know what? She will know not to mess with another woman's husband.
Babe.
Babe, I'll do it castly like. How dare you, Femi? Oh wow, so you have no shame, right? You leave your house, run after my husband. You cheap whore.
Excuse me?
I will excuse the slap on your face.
Babe. Please. Please, just relax. It's not what you think. Just hear me out.
Now you're protecting your mistress from me, right?
Babe, can you just hear me out? It's not what you think. Just relax and let me talk to you about this.
It's okay, Femi. You don't have to say anything. I'll leave you both alone. But just know this. If there was any chance that I could take your man from you, I would have. You're just lucky. Mere luck.
Babe, just...
Leave me alone! Femi, leave me alone!
Babe, it's not what you think, okay? Babe, listen. I promise you it's not what you think.
Sweetheart, everything I did was for your own good. And it was because I care. If I didn't care, how would I do that? Please, I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
I finally found something real, Dad. Even if I knew I might not have him, but he changed me. I finally found something genuine and you ruined it. You ruined it, Dad.
Coffee. I'm so sorry about how I've treated you these past few days, babe. I was just so scared I was going to lose you.
I'm sorry for not telling you about her advances. I'm scared of losing you, babe. And I never ever want to lose you. Except maybe when I'm old and grey and ready to join my ancestors.
You're not going anywhere, okay?
You want to join me?
I love you, babe. I love you so much.
Babe, where are you? I'm waiting.
Baby.
What took you so long?
I was getting ready for you.
Okay, I like that.
I like the sight of this. So beautiful, by the way.
I know, right? More beautiful than Freda.
Absolutely.
Better.
So gorgeous.
Thank you.
Can't believe you're mine now.
Yes, I'm all yours. I was waiting for you to know that.
Anita, why did you drop your...
Babe.
Freda.
I can explain.
I'm sorry.
Babe.
It's not what you think.
She forced herself on me, babe.
Are you high? Who forced you?
Baby, that's exactly what happened. I promise, it's the truth. I want you to know that I'm keeping our marriage vows to the very end.
Do you still love me?
Of course I do. Baby, I want to intensify this love even more. I do.
I want us to put everything that has happened behind us and try and make our marriage work and become better, okay? I love you so much.
I love you too.